A is for aunt. Aunt. A is for apple. Apple. A is for airplane. Airplane. B. B. B is for bat. Bat. B is for book. Book. B is for bicycle. Bicycle. C. C. C is for crocodile. Crocodile. C. C is for cow. Cow. C. C is for cup. Cup. D. D. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D. D is for duck. Duck. D. D is for drum. Drum. E. E. E is for egg. Egg. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. E. E is for ear. Ear. F. F is for fish. Fish. F. F is for finger. Finger. F. F is for frog. Frog. G. G is for grass. Grass. G. G is for God. God. G. G is for grapes. Grapes. H. H. H is for horse. Horse. H. H is for head. Head. H. H is for hammer. Hammer. I. I is for igloo. Igloo. H. I is for injection. Injection. I is for iron. Iron. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for jungle. Jungle. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for king. King. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lamp. Lamp. L is for leopard. Leopard. L for lamp. Lamp. M is for mango. Mango. M is for monkey. Monkey. M for mosque. Mosque. N is for notebook. Notebook. N is for necklace. Necklace. N is for nose. Nose. O is for hole. Hole. O is for orange. Orange. O for ox. Ox. P. P. P is for pizza. Pizza. P. P is for peacock. Peacock. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q. Q is for Quran. Quran. Q. Q is for coil. Coil. Q is for kite. Kite. R. R. R is for rose. Rose. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S. S is for sparrow. Sparrow. S is for soap. Soap. S. S is for snake. Snake. T. T. T is for tractor. Tractor. T. T is for tongue. Tongue. T. T is for turtle. Turtle. U. U is for umpire. Umpire. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U. U is for uniform. Uniform. V. V. V is for vein. Vein. V. V is for violin. Violin. V. V is for valley. Valley. W. W. W is for watch. Watch. W is for wing. 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 W is for water. Water. X. X is for X-rays. X is for X-rays. X is for ox. Ox. Y. Y. Y is for yolk. 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 Y. Y is for yolk. Yolk. Y is for Jojo. Jojo. Z. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Zero.